Hi everyone. Herbs are one of the most expensive ingredients in any recipe. So saving them from your garden to use during winter will warm up your wallet as well as your heart with flavorful soups and stews. Let us show you how we dry herbs. We are going to harvest rosemary, calendula, mint and sage today. You want to harvest long stems just above a leaf node. We have good enough mint here. Let us get rosemary. We are harvesting rosemary the same way, getting the large stems and cutting just above a leaf node. Next is sage. Herbs like mint and basil have high moisture content, whereas rosemary and sage leaves not as much. So the high moisture ones should be dried in smaller bunches. This looks like a good bunch of sage. We will grab some calendula flowers also. Dried calendula flowers can be soaked into olive oil to make salad dressing or hand salves. Okay, we have nice herb harvest here. So let's wash it and shake the water. Then let it sit for an hour till most of water dries out. Then we will bunch it up. Remember, smaller bunches for mint or basil. Sage and rosemary can be in bigger bunches. We are just gonna hang this up on our kitchen wall and let it dry. Air is warmer towards the roof, so that should help. So how do we know when it is all dried up? First of all, give it at least a month. We hung these up in mid-September and today, on October 28th, let us do the test to check it out if it is dry or not. So for each of the herb you want to grab a small portion and try to break it. It should snap like dried up stick or dried up fall leaves. This rosemary is ready. So now to harvest it all, simply put it in a ziploc and massage it or keep pressing it and soon the leaves will start falling out. You can store this in dry container to use during winter. Fall is also a good time to propagate herbs. Check out the simple way of propagating herbs in this video that we put out on the screen.
Thanks for watching.